if you set specific goals, say, okay, I am going to put together the getting ready in a certain amount of time. Okay, then you can set sub goals. You can say, okay, right now I'm going to, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to put together this group of clips to make a sequence. So set your goals and then set sub goals to achieve that major goal. And then in doing that, you won't be overwhelmed with what you have to do, and you'll stay on track and you'll keep busy. So at no point will you kind of not know what to do, because you always have some little thing to do. And if you do get stuck along the way, you can have, it's these sets of goals that lead to the big picture. So you can move on to a different goal with different sub goals. If you do get into a kind of like a creative issue, but you just keep moving and don't stop.